next to Dr. Robert Goddard's laboratory here at the Roswell Art Museum in Roswell, New Mexico. We've got a little exhibit for another famous resident of New Mexico, Harrison Schmitt, one of the Apollo astronauts, Apollo 17, and here's his flight suit and helmet bag. This is a little section devoted to him. He is a New Mexico senator after this, I guess. And he was kind enough to bring back a moon rock, a little piece of one from the Taurus Littoral Valley in the moon, and a little flag for New Mexico he took to the moon with him, right next to Dr. Robert Goddard's workshop. Here's an exhibit that shows some of Dr. Robert Goddard's less successful attempts at building rockets. You can see this thing looks like it's burned through or exploded. Here's some rocket debris from a crash. Nice picture of him with a crashed rocket. If you look at this setup here, the fuel tubes, that's just ordinary copper tubing. And then the engine looks like a thick piece of sheet metal that was turned and then welded together. And up here, the insulation just looks like thin aluminum or aluminum foil. I should get out of the light there. Just some basic insulation with aluminum foil around it. Here's one of his very first rockets. And they didn't have calculators in those days. He did all his math equations using one of these, I guess. That's his slide rule. Here's a piece of metal that looks like he turned on a lathe to test gunpowder inside to see how good a propellant it would be. The first rocket-borne weather instruments. Looks like an altimeter and a thermometer, just a basic thermometer on a piece of wood.